TikTok Shop is one of the best ways to sell products and make money online. And the best part is, you don't need to figure it all out on your own. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an AI-powered platform called Doba to actually find winning products and even list them automatically. Yep, no more guessing what sells or spending hours searching for suppliers. Everything is handled, and all the suppliers are right here in the US. So, if you've been thinking about starting your TikTok shop journey, this might just be the easiest way to get started. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, let's talk about what makes Doba stand out. This isn't your average dropshipping platform. Doba has been leading the game since 2002, and now it's supercharged with AI to make building a profitable online business faster, smarter, and easier than ever. Doba gives you access to high-quality products across multiple niches: home and garden, fashion, beauty, sports, and more. It also comes with advanced AI tools that make scaling your dropshipping business simple and efficient. Best of all, Doba integrates directly with platforms like Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, eBay, and more. You just connect your store, add your products, and once a customer places an order, Doba takes care of the rest: processing, fulfillment, and delivery. So you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Okay, let's start our journey with Doba. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Get Started and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Now, first things first, you need to integrate your shop with Doba. So click here on the integration option. You will find all the popular dropshipping and e-commerce platforms like Shopify, TikTok Shop, Temu, Amazon, eBay, and more. Simply select the platform and then follow the next steps. Once the store is connected, the next step is to find and select the winning product. Here, you will find the product category. You can browse them by category and find the product manually. However, you can use the AI Hub tool from here to find the winning product that actually sells. After coming to the AI Hub, click on Try It Now. This is the AI Tool Hub dashboard. Here, you will find several options like AI Store Builder, AI Product Finder, AI Auto Lister, and AI Listing Optimizer. To find a product, select AI Product Finder. Now, select the category and subcategory of your desired product. The AI will analyze the trend and find the winning products. You just have to select and list on your store. I already made a detailed video on it. You can watch it from the I button. Okay, finding a trendy product is not enough when you want to make some actual money. You need to promote the product. And as we are talking about the TikTok shop, the best way to promote the product is to make high-quality product videos and post on TikTok. Honestly speaking, that will cost a lot. Look at this video. This is a unisex medium sling shoulder bag promotion video. The quality of the video is really amazing, and it will surely grab the attention of the audience. Make them curious about the product, which will increase the sales possibility. We need this kind of high-quality product video. Now, what if I tell you that you will get this video for free and post it on any social media? Yes, you can. And Doba's Video Hub comes into play here. On the Video Hub tab, you will find high-quality product videos for over 1 million products that are free to use and post-ready. This alone is going to boost sales, as the customers are going to see exactly what they are going to get from that product. Now, as you can see, the product from our example is available here, listed at $16. But remember, you don't have to sell it for that price. You can list it at $30. In that case, you'll simply pay the supplier $16 and keep the difference as profit. Once you find a product you like, all you need to do is click the Add button right here. With just one click, the product will be added to your store and ready for you to start selling. You also have the option to download the product video directly to your device by clicking the download button. And if you want to browse for more product videos in a specific niche or category, just head over to the All Categories section. Here, you will literally find all the product categories. Now, imagine I have a store where I sell toys and kids products. So I am selecting the toys, kids, and baby category. Now, you will find all the kids' product videos directly supplied by the suppliers. For example, this is a baby stroller rain cover product video. This product is now trending. Along with the product video, you will find a vast number of product images and an optimized product description. Here, you can notice the shipping method and the return and refund policy, so you don't need to do anything except add the product to your store. Most importantly, you don't need to do anything manually. Just connect the store with Doba and then click on the List to Store button from here. Now, select the store if you have multiple stores. On the next page, you can refine the product description and settings. You can customize them manually or use AI to optimize. Once everything is set, click on List Only if you want to list on the store only. If you want to add to your Doba inventory, click here. Once the product is added, you can promote the product on TikTok or any other social media with the product video that you found on Doba. So Doba is not just a product sourcing tool. Now it also provides the pro-level marketing material, and its automated system does all the work for you. When customers place orders in your store, the magic happens behind the scenes. Doba automatically receives the order details, processes payment to the supplier, and initiates shipping, all without your intervention. So you can make money while you are sleeping. The 14-day free trial gives you risk-free access to explore everything we've covered today. Start with a focused product selection, leverage their automation tools, and scale systematically. Remember, successful dropshipping isn't about finding magic products. It's about building systems that consistently deliver value to customers. All right, friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about Doba Dropshipping. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!